Hi, it's Andrew Wilson with Londonlicious. We're just outside of Thaifoon Restaurant on the new part of Dundas. Let's go in and see what Chef has for us. Hey, so we're inside the restaurant now, and I'm just loving the feel and the atmosphere of this place. Here, take a quick look. Alright, now it's time to eat my favorite time. Hey, Chef, that looks amazing. What do we got going on?
This is one of our specialties here at Thaifoon. It's peanut pasta. This particular one is with tofu, covered with shrimp and chicken. It has a little bit of broccoli, peppers, and carrots. It's served with white rice noodles. Peanut sauce is one of our popular dishes here. I would like to pair this one with the Cabernet Sauvignon. It has a red wine. Complements the dish really well. And we have our little deep fried ice cream over here. Not too sweet, served with the homemade coconut cookie. A little bit of whipped cream, caramel, and chocolate drizzle. And cinnamon olive oil.
Alright, that was absolutely delicious. I even have some to go home with. It was that good. Now, come on down, tell them I said hi, and we're off to our next restaurant. We'll see you there.